over here at my favorite place, Laguna Beach, and you have got to check out this property to really appreciate it. It's a multi-unit property, could be a main residence, a vacation rental, pretty much anything your imagination dreams up. I love the open concept of the living space. It's nice and open and airy, lots of natural lights. This turnkey vacation rental is an adorable 2-1. It's ready to go. You've got fully furnished and you have a room with a bunk if you have extra visitors. I love the outdoor space off the main suite. You've got a hot tub, a patio to relax, and it leads to my favorite part, a screened-in porch. Besides the updated coastal chic vibe, I love all the windows in this kitchen. And again, open concept flows into an adorable little living space. I love how the outdoor space connects to the ensuite. Again, that coastal chic vibe, gorgeous updated bathroom, and plenty of space. If you like what you saw, make sure you click on the links below. You'll get photos, who to contact, and much more. And wait, don't stop there. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.